We're gonna go down the mountain. Let's do it. Doing a prescribed burn down there. It's a little bit smoky. It's still gorgeous. See that? See it? Oh, let's just take a little detour up in here. Just for giggles. As we can. That's enough detour. Let's get back home. Let's get back in the fast lane, shall we? Take you on another little detour over up in here, because this is purty. It's purty. Whew. Yes, it is. It's a little crunchy today, but not bad. Not quite icy, just a little bit crunchy. Whew. Gorgeous day in Santa Fe. In case you wonder where I am, that's where I be. Don't forget to like and subscribe while I'm thinking of it. And let's do this, huh? Look at that view. Oh, I missed that turn. It's all right. We'll catch another one. How about this one? Just a little dip through the trees. I should be flipping my edge and I'm not. Well, I can't record for you and listen to my tunes at the same time. So you're welcome. Bit busy out today. A lot of people. Beautiful sunshine. It's a little bit crispy out here, just a tad. Just enough chill to keep the snow coming, keep it snowy. You're welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.